Sendspark makes it easy to share videos in Expandi that are automatically personalized for each of your recipients on LinkedIn with their first name, company name, or other dynamic variables. The way you set this up is from Sendspark, you can record or upload your video, and then you can edit this video share page. So this first line, the header, is what's going to pull through on LinkedIn. So if you want to use dynamic personalization like their name, just make sure to add a personalization token here. And the way you add that, I'll delete this and add it again, is you just click on this personalize option, and then you can select the variable that you want to use. You can also change the fallback. So, if you don't like hi there, you could change it to like hi friend, or I've seen howdy partner, or whatever you want to show if their name doesn't show up for some reason in Expandi. You can also add some text to go below the video. So that's what this is. And a call to action. So if you want someone to reply to you right in the LinkedIn InMail or chat, that's great. If you want them to go ahead and schedule a demo or sign up for your product, just add the text for the button and the link right here. And you have this video page all set up to share. If you were to share this directly in LinkedIn, what you would do is just click on this copy link option and send it to someone. But if you want to use that mass personalization in Expandi, then you want to grab this specific Expandi snippet to send the video in Expandi. If you don't see Expandi on your share modal, that's totally fine. Just click on this edit ad option and make sure that Expandi is selected. And if there's any other platforms you use, feel free to select them to customize your share modal or unselect the platforms you're not using so you have a nice, clean, polished modal. So you just want to click on this. It's going to copy the snippet to your clipboard. And then from a campaign in Expandi, you can just paste that link into the message area. And you can add some text too. So you could be like, hi, I made a video, or like this video shows how we work or something like that. So feel free to add other text as well. One thing to note though is see how this is red? You're going to get an error when you save this. Let me click apply. That says one of your messages, like the merge tag isn't right. Just accept it. That's fine. We are using the right merge tags from Expandi, but we're also using our own. And so don't worry about it. Just click accept and trust that it will work. And then, you can go ahead, save your campaign and start enrolling contacts. And everyone who gets the video is going to see either the personalized video made for them or the fallbacks that you set in Sendspark. So like the hi there instead of hi first name. We hope this helps you see a lift in your conversions and be able to send out personalized messages without too much time on your part. So enjoy and happy recording.